Hi everyone! In today's design challenge we are going to be designing a social sharing. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Nikki. I'm a product manager and a startup founder, and I'm doing this 30-day design challenge to learn how to use Figma. So today it's a social sharing. I'm thinking of creating this sharing button for your blog posts, probably in the mobile view. I'm going to speed up this video, and in the end we are going to review the result. Okay, so I think we are done with the design. I spent quite a bit of time on creating that actual layout for the blog post, which wasn't necessary for this assignment of the challenge, but I've done it anyways. And I've done this like animation for the button. When you click on it, it will slide you social sharing icons. There's option for Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also to copy the link. I think it's quite nice use of space. I didn't want to necessarily like open the model on top of the blog because that might be a little bit too much for the experience on the mobile, so I think this would work good both on the mobile and the web. So yeah, that's it for today. It was quite fast and simple. Tomorrow we are going to be designing a flash messages, which are these like an error and a success messages for the app, so definitely stick around if you are interested. Give this video a like and follow for more videos like this. See you in the next one.